Welcome aboard Margaritaville at Sea Islander ship, where the vacation starts the moment you step on the ship. Sailing from Port of Tampa Bay, the Islander takes the laid-back Margarita lifestyle and puts it on the water, with cruises to Key West, Mexico, and the Western Caribbean. Hi, this is Jeff with Pacer Travel. Join us as there's a lot to explore on this ship. The Islander has 12 passenger decks with restaurants, bars, entertainment, a casino, a spa, fitness center, kids area, and some pretty impressive pool spaces. One of the first things you'll notice is the massive 14-story tropical atrium, complete with Margaritaville touches everywhere you look. Up on the pool deck is one of the ship's biggest attractions, the Land Shark Bar. You've got multiple levels of seating, live entertainment, sports, drinks, and even a lookout with panoramic views. There are actually 3 distinct pool areas on board. The 5 o'clock somewhere pool brings the music party atmosphere, while adults-only Tiki pool offers a quieter place to relax and enjoy the wake views. And when it's time to eat, you got plenty of places to eat. Of course, this is Margaritaville, so the bars are a big part of the experience. There's no shortage of places to grab a drink and settle into the Islander time. Now join us as we take a look at the staterooms aboard the ship. The cozy interior stateroom is designed to give you a comfortable, peaceful place to unwind after a day of exploring. Even without windows, the room feels warm and inviting, thanks to its soft lighting, clean layout, and coastal-inspired decor. The bathroom is compact but efficient, offering a full shower, sink, and ample shelving for toiletries. The Ocean View stateroom gives you that classic cruise ship experience, a bright, breezy space with a window that brings the sea right into your room. As soon as you walk in, the natural light from the ocean view makes the whole space feel open, refreshing, and connected to the water. Next, we have a breezy balcony staterooms. You can escape to paradise with gentle breezes and stunning views as you adventure from port to port in your own private stateroom. Breezy balcony stateroom has a private balcony with chairs, a lounge sleeper sofa, and available on decks 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Next, we have the Wake View Balcony Staterooms. This is located at the aft of the Islander, or for non-ship people, the back of the boat. These balcony staterooms feature picturesque, open views of the ocean with spacious outdoor lounge area and additional outdoor furniture. Perfect for inviting your mates along to watch stunning sunsets. These have private balconies with chairs, and they also have a lounge sleeper sofa. These are located on decks 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next, we have a Serene Junior Suites. The Serene Junior Suites is all about laid-back luxury. As you step inside, the space immediately feels open and calming. Inside the suite features a comfy lounge sofa, a deluxe mattress and bedding, and dedicated vanity area. In the suite, you also get exclusive suite amenities such as priority check-in and boarding, priority debarkation, exclusive concierge service, suite exclusive dinner menu, and main dining room. Next, we have a Grand Terrace Suites. The Grand Terrace Suite is designed as one of the Islander's most impressive retreats, a spacious sunsplash hideaway that blends coastal elegance with its signature Margaritaville ease. As you walk in, the suite immediately feels expansive with an open layout that flows naturally towards the standout feature, the large private terrace. This oversized outdoor space gives you room to truly live outside, perfect for sunrise lounging, afternoon cocktails. The bathroom is spacious and spa-like, offering upgraded finishes and plenty of room to get ready. Storage throughout the suite is thoughtfully placed, keeping the space clean and uncluttered. The Grand Terrace Suites get all the exclusive suite amenities. And last, we have the Grand Terrace Corner Suite. It is one of the Islander's most impressive staterooms, a spacious indoor-outdoor retreat designed for travelers who want the best views and the most room to unwind. The moment you step inside, the suite feels bright, open, and upscale. elevated touches. You'll find upgraded linens and pillows and a deluxe mattress, a lounge sleeper sofa, and a separate seating area that makes the room feel more like a private retreat. The bathroom is notably large, featuring double sinks, a tub, a shower, and plenty of storage. Everything flows towards its signature feature, the extra spacious wraparound private balcony with loungers, giving you a panoramic ocean view and a ton of outdoor living space. This room also gets you all the exclusive suite amenities. Ready to turn this room tour into your next vacation? I'm Jeff, your travel advisor with Pacer Travel. Reach out at 727-300-1746, or you can email us at pacertravelmedia.com, and I'll help you plan your escape to paradise.